Introducing Scenic Eclipse. On Scenic Eclipse, our aim is to enable guests to discover a world few have ever experienced. The discovery experience starts with our own fleet of custom-built Zodiacs, boarded on either side of the ship via our lowering platform. Guests can also choose to explore the underwater world aboard the ship's own 7-seat submarine, where you can witness penguins, whales and seals in their natural habitat. Or even visit a world-famous shipwreck. On Scenic Eclipse, the discovery experience goes beyond land, sea and the local areas we visit, as our 2 onboard helicopters enable guests to experience remote areas until now only accessible by adventurers. Imagine experiencing emperor penguins on their long march across the ice, or standing in the footsteps of the great explorers to marvel at the majesty of these remote and inspiring landscapes. No matter what horizon you yearn to explore, we'll take you there. Scenic Eclipse, the world's first discovery yacht.